What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. And today's video, we have some rich products. Shout out to them for sending these out for review. They sent out the wallet and the ring, and I bought the leather wallet. But I'm making this video because why wait till Black Friday when they got deals right now today? I know you're not doing anything, just sitting around waiting for that turkey to be done. So why don't you go to ridge.com and pick yourself up some Ridge products. And not only that, I got a special discount code for you. So on top of the great deals they already have, when you check out and you put in promo code GadgetBeard10, you're going to get an extra 10% off of the already discounted prices. So it does not get better than that. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we got here. We got the Ridge Slim RFID blocking wallet. This is their original style wallet. This one is in Kyber Fiber 3K with the cash strap, and you have the Biflex wallet in tobacco brown, and I have the silicone ring. They do have multiple styles of rings. I do go with the silicone ring because I am a utility worker and I work with electricity, and I can't be having any metal on my hands because if I get electrocuted, there goes my finger. It'll probably blow the F up. But let's start with the ring itself. It comes in a very nice, very secure kind of like pelican style case. So basically what this is meant for, it serves two purposes. This is what your ring comes from, but if you're going to go ahead and replace your actual wedding ring, you can go ahead and place your wedding ring here, keep it in a nice secure case, and then put this silicone style ring in. Let's go ahead and remove this. And very nice sturdy silicone style ring. You get two of them. The other one is lined with like a gray, and they do say Ridge right there. I don't know if you can see it. Oop, it hopped. But fits very nice. Boom, look at that. It looks very nice. You can hardly even tell that they're silicone unless you really pay attention. So you're gonna get two of these. Boom, as you can see, the other one right here. The other one has gray, which I absolutely love. They feel nice in the finger. Boom, look at that. Compared to my other silicone ring, this is all nice and shiny already. It's pretty much busted, but this one looks very nice in hand. Boom, feels good. But just make sure when you order the correct ring size. This is the correct ring size for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one on for the rest of the video. But like I said, you get the silicone ring and you get a nice case to protect your actual wedding ring. If you have a nice precious wedding ring, you can go ahead and put it in here, close it up, and put this away in a nice secure place, and your ring, it's not going to get damaged. You ain't going to lose those diamonds if you have diamonds on your ring. Following up is the regular Ridge Slim RFID blocking wallet, carbon fiber 3K. Let's go see what we get inside. We're gonna get your typical Ridge design for life kind of postcard thing looking in here, and boom, look at this bad boy. Absolutely looks amazing. Carbon fiber, and the only reason why I went with carbon fiber is because carbon fiber everything. Look at that. Boom, my phone, my wallet, my car, everything carbon fiber. Now this is your typical Ridge style wallet. You're going to get the cash strap on the back, a nice screwdriver, and some additional T5 torque screws. So basically this is going to open like that. You're going to put your cards. I do have about 10 cards here. I think you can fit a bunch of cards here. There's 10 cards, 11. Let's see, 11. Boom. So you can fit a nice hefty amount of cards. Keeps it nice and slim, very slim profile. Boom. Just kind of, you have a push thumb button right there. You push up, you can fan them out if you want. Just pull out the card you want. You just kind of fan this out like that. Boom. Or just kind of fan all these out like that and just get the card you want and be on your merry way. The back here serves as a cash strap. So you just got to fold your bills. I don't have any bills on me to show you, but you do get a sticker. Look at that. Boom, the sticker. Do I got any cash bills? Let me see what I got. I don't got any bills, but I got some. Boom, look at that. Some checks that kind of mimic the bills there, some fake checks, so you can put your money like that, and then your cards like so, which absolutely looks and feels fantastic. Boom. Moving on to the Biflex. This is their newest addition to their Rich products, which I absolutely love. The Rich Biflex wallet, 100% genuine leather. You have a new style postcard right there, kind of explaining the thought process behind the Biflex here. And it smells like leather, very nice, very minimal. Let's go ahead and compare it to the original here. They're about the same size. Boom, they're exactly the same size, as you can tell, but this one is leather. So this one, you're going to be able to put some cards like this. I don't know if it's going to hold the same amount. So you can put some cards like this, flip it around the other side, and probably have like your ID or something back here. Boom. And it folds the same, it holds like the same amount of cards as your regular one. You don't want to pack these too much, because you want to slowly but surely kind of like get these worn in, so they can kind of be more flexible. But very nice looking little package. I absolutely love this. So you have a thumb right there, so you can fan these out or get the card that you need. Bam, you can go ahead and get this out. And you have a thumb one right here, which this one, I think you should put your ID here. So let's put some less minimal cards here. Let's see how many cards I have in here, because it's a little tight, but it's a lot of cards. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards, but it holds a lot more than that. But what I would do is I would just rock it. I'll rock my ID on one side and maybe like a few cards here. I don't know who has that many credit cards, but if you do, congratulations. But I'll probably rock like an ID on this side, so I can easily access my ID, push up like that, grab my ID, boom, and I know where it's at, because I can always see the slot there for my ID. And I have a couple cards over here, just fan them up like this, push in on that thumb, and then just grab the card that I need. This is slippery. A good practice for these is always have the card that you use most here up front, because it's easy to get. You can just push in, grab your card, and be on your merry way. And your ID back here as well. Just push up, grab your ID, and be on your merry way. You can put like 2-3 cards back here, just like so. But very nice, good looking wallets here from Ridge. Boom, look at that. Absolutely looks amazing. And the ring itself too, with the ring carrying case there. Boom, it does not get better than this. Like I said, great discounts going on right now, and if you use my promo code GadgetBeard10, you're gonna get an extra 10% off any of these accessories right here. So if you have any questions regarding any of these, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.